Hello gig workers, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money. If you're not a gig workers, join the team. So today I'll be working Uber Eats from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps. And stick around to the end because I'll do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. The time is 11:30. Doordash looking for orders. Uber Eats finding trips. So this is Doordash, $11, 4.6 kilometers. And the time is 11:44. And the restaurant is 3 minutes away. Not far, that's pretty good. Let's go, let's go. So pick up that food. Customer is 6 minutes away. 3 kilometers. Base pay $6, customer tip $5. So this is Doordash again. $14, 7 kilometers. Pooh! Pooh! Bingo! That's a nice one. It's a lovely, it's a right. This is Popeyes. Popeyes is like 10 steps away. 10 steps away. So I pick up the chicken from Popeyes. It's like lots of chicken. I don't know, 50 pieces chicken. That's lots of food. Maybe they have a office party or something. Lunch party. So customer is 12 minutes away. 8.3 kilometers. So I'm at the customer location here. Go drop off their food, put on my mask. Let me see if there's any instruction here. Hand to customer. Woohoo! Let's go hand to customer and get some virus. So I hand it to the customer. They're doing some construction at the back there. And he have his mask on, so good job. Base pay $6. Customer tip $8. Cha-ching! So I'm at $25 with DoorDash. So this order is from DoorDash. $11, 6.4 kilometers. I'll accept that for sure. So the instruction here for the restaurant is it's here. Park at one of those stalls and call them. So the restaurant staff brought the food out. That was pretty good. That's awesome. Thank you Original Joe's for doing that. Customer is 7 minutes away. 5.8 kilometers. Okay, so I arrive at customer location here. This is the motorcycle store. Woohoo! I drop off that order. Customer tip $5. Base pay $6. Thank you. I'm 5 minutes away from my zone. I have to drive all the way back there now. So in that store, lots of beautiful bikes. Woohoo! Awesome. Nice. So this is $8, 8 kilometers, and it's a DoorDash. I'll accept it. So I pick up that food from Quizno. Customer is 14 minutes away. 8.3 kilometers. It's a pretty far drive for $8. But I took it, right? $1 per kilometers, that's okay. This lunch hour shift is supposed to be Uber Eats and Doordash, but it's all Doordash. I know Uber Eats normally dominate this zone that I always work because I'm close to home. I guess Uber Eats, it's falling behind and DoorDash is taking over this zone. Good for me. Delivered that order, base pay $6, customer tip $2. The time is 1:37. I'm just gonna end my shift now. It's getting slow. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button down below. If you have any question or comments, do it down below. And stay tuned for the summary. Hello guys, so welcome back, and this is a summary. I had 4 delivery with DoorDash only, 0 order with Uber Eats. Start time was 11:30, end time was 1:38, active time was 1 hour and 26 minutes, dash time was 2 hours and 7 minutes. So let's start with the first one from bottom. Base pay is $6, customer tip $5, that's $11. Second one was $14, base pay $6, customer tip $8, thank you customer. Third one was $11, base pay $6, customer tip $5. And the last one was $8, base pay $6, customer tip $2. That's give us a total of $44 minus $4 for gas equal $40 divided by 2 give us $20 an hour exact. So I'll take $20 an hour, and doesn't matter if it's Uber Eats and DoorDash, but today was just DoorDash, and that was nice to see that one app could bring $20 an hour. You don't have to depend on 2, so hopefully that could continue. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to watch more video like this, and stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.